Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change photo profile Twitter X. We will access our Twitter X account. There, click on Profile and then click on Edit Profile. Now click on the camera icon on your profile photo. Select the new image. When you do so, click on Open. Adjust the image as necessary and click on Apply. Finally, click on Save. With this, you will see your new Twitter profile photo. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.